Go. Here, we got those two things. Here. Have these. Right here. Try them.
Oh, should we just get a box? Because if we can get and then a box, then
fidget spinners.
the way I have
Like I got when I walked in.
Yeah, but I'm ziplining for my life, hanging from a rope.
So for the zip line, are we gonna hike up there and then we'll be at the destination?
We're gonna drive up there.
Okay. 2.0 miles. Park your car near Manawa Road. Except for it's detoured. Yeah.
I'm taking a picture. Right here, scoot over,
I feel like this is from a movie.
I know. I feel
Right there.
like this is all
Right
fake.
there, guys. Stand up there on those.
Oh my gosh, there's so many warnings here.
That guy's leg.
Drawing a picture. Look, it's a little rock. Picture.
Oh my god, I nearly slipped.
Oh, sure, I look.
About 40 minutes to watch it. You guys gotta watch it. About 40 minutes.
No, that'd be funny if you tell, like, that's not the grail.
Once again with the pitch black darkness and the music we can't go see because we're not 18. Why'd we walk all the way out here when we were gonna walk all the way back to the parking lot? Oh well.
We're at this fancy
Stop shaking it.
sushi yuzu with an umbrella. Oh, where did Olivia go? Oh, she's right there. Say hi to the camera, mother. And then there is Noah.
Hi.
Big bad. Here, show him your fidget spinner, Noah.
Oh, 13.
He spent $20 on this, by the way.
Look.
It's ridiculous.
Hey,
Hey, we got a pretty good deal though. So technically, he only spent like 15. Wow, look at that.
So apparently I got yakitori. What'd you get?
Oh, you got yakitori?
Yeah.
Oh,
What'd you get?
Because did you order something else?
No.
Oh, okay. Udon. Just making sure.
What'd you get?
I got spicy shrimp tempura.
And then I think she got, California roll.
right there. Is that really fire?